Hello everyone, today we will discuss birth control need and methods. Birth control and need and methods. First one, birth control need. So birth control need means, so the in population is increases. So the population is increases. So one family, 4-5 children. So the big families. So the population is increases. So the population is increases. So the requiring more food materials. So the shelter problems, cloth problems. So they are increasing population. So they are the increasing food materials, the shelter problems and cloth problems. So they are the controlling of the birth control needs. So the birth control needs, one family, 1 or 2 children. So the small families. So small families. So they are the population is slow population. So the in the statistics of the 2011, so the every year 1.64 percentage of increasing population every year 1.64 percentage increasing the population. So because of, so they are the modern science is well developed, hospital medical science is well developed, so death rate is decreases, so the born rate is increases, death rate decrease, born rate increases. So the overpopulation, so the overpopulation, so they affecting the food materials, affecting the shelter problems, affecting the cloths. So they are the birth control needs compulsory. So birth control needs, so these birth control needs, the population is control. So the population is control, so the no effect of the food materials, no shelter problems, no cloth problems. So they are the birth control needs. Next one, so first of all, so the birth control needs, so they are the different types of this. They are using from the some instruments like special caring from the birth control methods, like only 1 or 2 childs, one family, 1 or 2 childs. Next one, so they are the maturity levels, increasing of the male and female maturity levels. So the government decided, so the females 18 years, after 18 years, so the marriage. Next one, with the females. Next one, males, so they are the 21 years. So the after 21 years, so they get into the marriage. Males are the 21 year after marriage, so the females are the 18 years after the marriage. Next one, so they are the using from the birth control methods like constipation. Next one, so they are the constipation. So next one, constipation. So the constipation. Constipation. So the constipation means, so the initiational, so the intentionally, so the intentionally prevention of pregnancy formation. So the intentionally prevention of constipation. Pregnancy means constipation. So the constipation means the ovum egg do not fertilization. Ovum and egg do not fertilization, do not formation of embryo, do not formation of pregnancy. So these are called as constipation. So they are called as constipation. Constipation means intentionally. So the intentionally, so they are prevention of pregnancies, intentionally prevention of pregnancy, intentionally prevention of constipation, intentionally prevention of constipation is called as constipation, So prevention of pregnancies, so they are called as constipation. So these using from the constipations, like, so they are the friendly using, so they are birth control methods, like using to the some natural methods. Next one, barrier methods. Next one, oral pill methods. Next one, intraceptive methods. Next one, So the surgical methods. So they are the methods are the using from the prevention of pregnancies. Prevention of pregnancies. So they are using from the friendly using. So they are the contraceptive methods using from the first one friendly. Friendly using. So they are participate male and female, the sexual participation in the male and female human beings. So they are the friendly. So the female asking the friendly male, so use condoms. So they are the, so the one friendly using of the contraceptive method, friendly using of contraceptive methods. Next one easily available. Easily available means, so the condoms, the condom packets in the any medical shop, any hospitals, so they are providing the condoms, so they are the easily available. Next one, no side effects. Next one, no side effects. No side effects. No side effects. Next one, so they are the no they are no affecting from the sexual participation. No effect of the sexual participation. So they are the no effect of the sexual participation. So there is no affecting of the sexual effect of the human beings. So they are contraceptive methods are the friendly using. So they are easily available, no side effects. So they are using from the human beings. So they are controlling from the birth control. So the control of the birth, control of the pregnancies. Next one, so they are the birth control methods. Birth control methods. First one, so they are the different types of the birth control methods present in the well developed medicines. First one, natural methods. First one, natural methods. First one, natural methods. Second one, barrier methods. Second one, barrier method. First one, natural methods. Second one, barrier methods. So first heading remaining the intrauterine devices. Third one, intrauterine devices. Intrauterine IUDs, intrauterine devices. Next one, contraceptive pills. Contraceptive pills. Next one, injection. Next one, injections. Next one, vaginal rings. Next one, skin patches. Next, another one, sixth one, surgical methods. So these 6 types of the methods are the prevention of birth control. So these methods are the prevention of pregnancies. First one, natural methods. Second one, barrier methods. Third one, intrauterine devices. Fourth one, contraceptive pills. Fifth one, injections, vaginal rings and skin patches. Next one, sixth one, surgical methods. So these 6 methods are the using from the prevention of pregnancies. First heading natural methods. First one, natural methods. So the natural methods means, so they are the, these methods, they are the depend on the principle, they are methods depend on the principles. So they are the prevention of, do not contact the, do not fertilize the egg and sperms. So they are prevention of fusion of sperm and eggs. So they are the natural methods. Natural method means, so they are the prevention of pregnancies. So they are naturally, so they are do not, the sperm do not reaching to the ovum. So they are the natural methods. Natural methods are the three types. First one is the, first one periodic abstinences. First one periodic abstinences. Periodic abstinences. First one periodic abstinences. Periodic abstinences. First one periodic abstinences. So the periodic abstinences means, so the every month females, every month 28 or 29 days one menstrual cycle. In the females every month the 28 to 29 days, every month 28 or 29 days one menstrual cycle, one menstrual cycle. So the every month, so the 28 or 29 days once a menstrual cycle. So the normally, so the draw the just rough chart. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 or 29 days. So they are the one menstrual cycle. So they are the one menstrual cycle of the one healthy female individual. So this female menstrual cycle, they are starting from the first day. So they are starting from the first day. So they are completing the 28 days. The one 28 or 29 days one menstrual cycle. So in this menstrual cycle, egg releasing every menstrual cycle 14th day, egg releasing exactly 14th day releasing from the egg of the female ovary. So they are the 14th day. So this 14th day releasing from the egg from the female ovaries. So this ovary coming from the ovary to womb, egg is coming from the ovary to fallopian tube. So that time the participation of the sexual intercourse, the sperms entering from the female vagina to cervix, cervix to uterus, uterus to fallopian tube. In the fallopian tube, the egg and sperm, the fusion, the formation of zygote, the formation of embryo. So they are this 14th time. So exactly the do not 14th day releasing. So 10th day to. So they are the date 10 day to 17th days. So these days 10 to 17th day. So these days are the pregnancy days. So they are the pregnancy days because of, so exactly 14th day releasing from the eggs. But the some female ladies, so before the 14th day releasing egg or after 14th day releasing from the egg, exactly do not identify. So these 10 to 17 days avoiding the sexual participation, avoiding the sexual intercourse. So remaining periods, so the 1 to 9 days or 18 to 28 or 29 days. So these days many times, so involving the sexual participation, there is no formation of pregnancy because of, so these days only releasing from the egg. These days only releasing egg. Egg means ovum. So they are the only 10th day to, and the menstrual cycle is starting compulsory, not ending stage. The menstrual cycle means a bleeding. So the bleeding starting date, counting the starting date to 9 days, starting day to 9 days. So these days involving the sexual participation. So these days involving the sexual participation. So these days also there is no effect involving the sexual participation. sexual participation, but there is no pregnancy. No pregnancy. So in these days also no pregnancy. No pregnancy because of egg releasing only in these days, 10th day to 17th days. These days only releasing from the egg. So these days there is no egg releasing. So these days there is no releasing of the egg. So the how many times the involving the sexual participation? Many times involving of the sexual participation. There is no formation of pregnancy. But so in these days, 10th date to 17th date. So in this date times, for example, just example. So 14th date involving to the sexual participation, just only one time. So that time, so the egg is releasing, sperm entering into the female vagina. So that time, the chance from the formation of pregnancy. So there is no pregnancy formation in the persons these days, 10th day to 17th days. Menstrual cycle, the starting day to their 10th day to 17th day. These days avoiding the sexual participation. So there is no involving the sexual participation. So they are prevention of pregnancies. So they are the one natural method. So they are the periodic abstinences. Periodic abstinences means, so the females every month, the 28 or 29 days, one menstrual cycle is starting. So the one menstrual cycle is completed. So these are 28 or 29 days, exactly 14th day releasing from the egg. So the exactly do not identify. So before the 3 days, after the 3 days, totally 7 days. So these 7 days are the pregnancy period days. So these days avoiding the sexual participation. So the prevention of pregnancy. So they are the one of the natural method. Second one, withdrawal coitus. So the withdrawal method. Second one, withdrawal method. Second natural method, withdrawal method. Second one, withdrawal. Withdrawal method. So the withdrawal method means, so they are the male and female. So the male and female, so they involving the sexual participation. So the involving the sexual participation time, the male penis, so the removing to the vagina before the ejaculation. So the formation of sexual participation. So the male person, the penis removing from the vagina before the ejaculation. Before the ejaculation means, so they are the ejaculation time, the male releasing from the sexual participation time, the male releasing from the semen. So the semen releasing from the male persons. So the ejaculation means the male person releasing semen. That semen releasing is called as ejaculation. So they are involving the sexual participation time, the male person, the penis are removing from the vagina. That time of the ejaculation time, removing from the vagina, removing from the penis from the vagina. So the semen do not pass into the female vagina. So there is no formation of pregnancy. So they are the one method. So they are the withdrawal method. Withdrawal method means, so the male person, the involving the sexual participation time, the ejaculation time means semen releasing time. So the before the semen releasing time, sperm, the penis are removing from the vagina. So the sperms do not entering the vagina. So there is no go to the uterus to the fallopian tubes. So there is no formation of pregnancy. So they are the withdrawal method. Next one, third type, lactational amenorrhea method. Third one, lactational amenorrhea method. Third one, lactational amenorrhea method. Lactational amenorrhea method. So the lactational amenorrhea method means, so the female pregnancy after delivery. So the female mother, so the after delivery they are lactational period. Lactation means feeding of the milk, feeding of the milk from the babies, feeding from the milk from the babies. So that time the menstrual cycle is stopping, menstrual cycle is stopping. So this time menstrual cycle is stopping, so there is no egg is releasing. So this time is there is no pregnancy formation, there is no pregnancy formation means. So the female lady after delivery 6 months, after delivery 6 months, after delivery to 6 months, after delivery to 6 months. So this period the menstrual cycle is stopping, menstrual cycle is stopping. So the menstrual cycle is stopping. So the menstrual cycle is stopped. So there is no egg is releasing, there is no ovum is releasing. So there is no formation of pregnancy, there is no formation of pregnancy. So these are the lactational amenorrhea method. Lactational amenorrhea method. Amenorrhea means, so they are stopping of the menstrual cycle. Amenorrhea means stopping of the menstrual cycle. So the stopping of the menstrual cycle, there is no egg releasing, there is no embryo formation. So they are the one method of the natural method. They are only 6 months. So the delivery to only 6 months. This time they are feeding from the milk from the baby. So this period there is no menstrual cycle, there is no egg releasing. So there is no formation of pregnancy. So they are the one of the natural method of the birth control methods. Birth control method only one siding natural method. Natural methods are the 3 types. One is the periodic abstinences, second one withdrawal method, third one lactational amenorrhea method. So the periodic abstinences mean, so the menstrual cycle every 28 or 28 days one menstrual cycle is completed. So this menstrual cycle, so the counting the starting from the menstrual day to 10th date. So these days how many times involving many times involving to the sexual participation, but there is no formation of pregnancy. This time only date 10th date to 17th date. So these days are the releasing the egg releasing times. So this time involving the sexual participation, the formation of pregnancies. So they are the one method periodic abstinences. Second one withdrawal method. Withdrawal method means, so the male and female involving the sexual participation, so they enjoying the sexual participation. So the ejaculation time, ejaculation means semen releasing time, the male person penis removing from the vagina. So they are the one method. Next one lactational amenorrhea method. Lactational amenorrhea method means, so they are this period there is no menstrual cycle is stopping. So there is no releasing of the egg, there is no formation of pregnancy. So they are the one of the natural methods of the birth control methods. Next class we will discuss remaining birth control methods.